Hello friends, I am Shukarna. Welcome to my new channel Friendship with Biology. So friends, what is biology? Biology is a Greek word that is derived from two separate words. One bios and another one logos. Bios means living. Logos means study. So the word biology means study of living. Now, I will discuss some important features of living organism. That are growth, development, reproduction, excretion, nutrition, movement. All those characteristics are found in living organism. Further, Carolus Linnaeus divides living organism into two parts. One, plant, and another one, animals. So, today I will discuss important topic like plant. This is the important topic of class 6 ICSE board. So, where we can see plant? We can see plant in different garden, playground, forest, etc. All they are same size and shape? No, they are not same size and shape. They differ from each other. But all the plants have two main parts. Number 1, root system. Number 2, shoot system. Now friends, let's start with root system. Position of root system is, this is the actually underground part of the plant. It have several parts. Number 1, primary root. Number 2, secondary root. Primary root is the main thick part of the root system, and it have several branches. Those branch part is known as secondary root, and secondary root ends with hair-like projection that is known as root hairs. Now, root system can be divided into main two parts. Number 1, taproot system. Another one, fibrous root system. In case of taproot system, one main thick root present, and this thick root gives several side branches, and this is present in dicot plant. And in case of fibrous root system, cluster of root arises from the base of the stem, and this is present in monocot plant. Now I will discuss several functions of root. Root at first fix the plant to the soil. Number 2, it supply water, minerals to the plant, and it binds the soil tightly. So friend, let's discuss with the another part of the plant, that is shoot system. This is present above the ground. Shoot system have several parts. Number 1 is node. Node is a point from which leaves and branch arises. And internode is the gap between two successive nodes. Axil is an angle that is between upper side of the leaf and stem. And bud is underdeveloped flower. Bud is two types. Number 1, apical bud. Number 2, axillary bud. Apical bud responsible for vertical growth of the plant, and it is present at the tip of the shoot. Axillary bud arises from the point of axil. It produces new branches either with leaf or with flower. Now, what are the function of the stem? The function of the stem are, number 1, it holds all the aerial part of the plant like leaf, flower, fruits, etc. Then it helps the upward movement of water and minerals, and then it also supplies food that is produced by the leaf. Friend, this is the structure of a leaf. This is green and broad part of a plant. Leaf has several parts. First one is petiole that arises from the node of the stem. Then some plants have no petioles. This plant is also known as sessile. Another part of the leaf is lamina. Lamina is broad and green part of the leaf. And this is the outer margin of the leaf. This is known as leaf margin. Another part of the leaf is midrib. This midrib continues into the lamina. And midrib further branches to form veins. Veins further branches to form veinlet. Vein act as supportive system to the plant or to the leaf, and this make the framework of the leaf. Leaf can be divided into two parts, simple leaf and compound leaf. In case of simple leaf, single lamina present. That means lamina is undivided. In case of compound leaves, lamina is divided into smaller subunit, and this subunit is known as leaflets. Example of simple leaf is banana. Example of compound leaf is rose. So friends, according to shape, many kinds of leaf are found. Number 1, needle-shaped leaf. Needle-shaped leaf are found in pine tree. Oval-shaped leaf can be found in apple and guava. Heart-shaped leaf can be found in peepal tree, and oblong-shaped leaf can be found in banana tree. Tapering-shaped leaf can be found in eucalyptus tree, and circular-shaped leaf can be found in lotus plant. And another one friend, according to margin, leaf can be divided into 4 parts: complete margin, toothed margin, waved margin and spiny margin. And their example is, in case of complete margin, plant is peepal. In case of toothed margin are found in rose. Waved margin can be found in mango, and in spiny margin can be found in prickly poppy. So there is a trick friend, P R M P. P for peepal, R for rose, M for mango and P for prickly poppy. Phyllotaxy means arrangement of leaf on a stem or its branches. Here, according to arrangement, leaf can be divided into 3 types: alternate arrangement, opposite arrangement and fold arrangement. In case of alternate arrangement, single leaf arises from each node. Here, the example is peepal. In case of opposite arrangement, 2 leaves arise from each node and they are opposite to each other. Here, example is jasmine. In case of fold arrangement, more than 2 leaves arise from each node. So, Here, example is Oleander. Next, what is venation? Venation is arrangement of vein in a lamina. Two types of venation are found. Number 1, reticulate venation. Number 2, parallel venation. In case of reticulate venation, veins are forming a network to each other, and this is found in mainly dicot plant like people, roads, etc. In case of parallel venation, veins are parallel to each other. This is found in banana, maize, mainly monocot tree. So friends, in my next video, I will discuss with you the next part of the chapter like the function of leaf and the modification of leaf. So friend, keep in touch with my channel, like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you.